Welcome to my YouTube channel where I'm going to share today about my cat's daily life. It is the beautiful morning and the sunlight is shining softly. My female cat begins to stretch her body slowly. Female cat is sitting peacefully in the middle of the nature, surrounded by the soft green of the plants and the gentle sound of the morning breeze. Her eyes look relaxed. Her body is still and it seems to be listening to the sounds around her. She looks completely content, enjoying the peace of the moment. She is watching me while I am recording her. On the terrace, male cat is lying down, fast asleep, enjoying the warmth of the sun. His body is stretched out comfortably, his eyes are closed, and his body is breathing slowly. Another male cat is sitting comfortably in his own world. He sits in a comfortable position and his head and moving his body across.